Hello, and welcome to FLIR's Nuclear, Biological, Chemical Reconnaissance Vehicle Sensor Suite Upgrade webinar. I'm Jay Record. I'm a member of the FLIR team, a lifetime AUSA member, and a soldier for life. I'm very pleased to be and excited to be speaking with you today, and I wish I were doing this in person, but I promise to make the very best of the virtual environment. FLIR is the Army's leader for sensor integration and decision support. We remain committed to providing the Army the world's best CBRN sensors. We're very fortunate to be working on the sensor suite upgrade with the JPEO for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear defense. They are tremendous partners. Today, we're going to discuss a true breakthrough technology program that's paving the way for future CBRN reconnaissance. The Army's Stryker NBCRV sensor suite upgrade represents a first-ever integration of multiple CBRN sensors, nested with unmanned platforms that are compatible with the command and control system. When looked at holistically, this new capability represents a true tactical, integrated early warning system capable of enabling decision support and providing freedom of maneuver for commanders in a CBRN environment. Globally, the instances of CBRN weapon use are increasing. The number of incidents and the types of weapons being employed are becoming increasingly more lethal. Instances of regional instability further embolden the use of CBRN weapons. A lack of international scorn following an event further increases the likelihood of escalation. It is reasonable to conclude that potential adversaries may use CBRN weapons to deny access to strategic areas and to hinder the freedom of maneuver for Army forces. A future multi-domain operation is likely to be fought in a CBRN environment. Therefore, the Army must be able to seize the initiative, breach defenses, operate, and disrupt the enemy in a CBRN environment. The Stryker NBCRV SSU provides the capability for the Army to have a tactical advantage needed to fight and win, and winning matters. FLIR is the worldwide leader in developing and fielding CBRN sensors, and we have a proven track record of providing these sensors to our warfighters. The sensors shown are just a sample of the SBRN capability FLIR provides. We've proven that our sensors lead industry, and they're being employed throughout the Army in different configurations. Taken individually, these sensors are incredibly useful, but when integrated on a tactical platform, they become a true combat multiplier. Recently, our Army completed an intense exercise called Project Convergence, when many technologies were showcased in an effort to make them all work together. In the NBCRV SSU, FLIR has demonstrated the ability to integrate multiple sensors together. Simply put, FLIR has taken sensors, integrated them on a tactical platform, made them ATAC compliant, and had them communicate on a common C2 system to bring about a true integrated early warning at the tactical level. The system is powerful and provides the intelligence needed to enable maneuver decision support. In this video, watch closely as a Stryker NBCRV team conducts route reconnaissance ahead of the advance of an armored formation. The team stops short of a targeted area of interest and detects an enemy presence with a 360 situational awareness sensor. The sensor immediately cues a FLIR R80D Skyraider UAV to launch and interrogate the target. The FLIR Skyraider advances and detects an enemy presence with an IR technology and is capable of interrogating the area with a CBRN sensor. As the enemy retreats, the NBCRV team leader has the awareness necessary to successfully call for fire to destroy the fleeing enemy and advise the higher command of the absence or presence of CBRN contamination on the targeted area of interest. The goals for the NBCRV SSU are to provide force protection, enable freedom of maneuver, and provide situational awareness the decision making. We accomplish this by improving the speed of the CBRN reconnaissance, while improved sensors increase the ability to avoid contamination. The NBCRV SSU provides a true detect on the move capability and the ability to detect at distances. Use of technical enablers, such as robotics, data integration, and automation, bring about a system that is functional, is adaptable to a wide range of platforms, and is able to accommodate any sensor. The original NBCRV concept was an evolutionary leap ahead from the technologies in the M93A1 Fox reconnaissance vehicle. It has been the Army's workhorse for CBRN reconnaissance for the last 12 years. However, advances in sensor technology and unmanned systems provides an opportunity to improve on the initial system and set the conditions for future CBRN reconnaissance. In just 9 months, FLIR delivered a prototype that incorporated all of the sensing capability of the original system and enhanced the operational reach by adding unmanned platforms. The prototype, dubbed Capability Set 2, incorporates a platform adaptable design, multiple standoff and point CBRN sensors, an integrated sensor architecture that is ATAC software compatible and allows CBRN data to cross the network. Most impressively, FLIR has been able to demonstrate automated drone queuing after a detection of an airborne threat. In this case, a FLIR R80D Skyraider is launched with a FLIR IBAC biosensor to interrogate a potential release of a biological cloud after receiving autonomous direction from the onboard system. Similarly, a FLIR-designed sensor suite adapted to a UGV accompanies the NBCRV and can accomplish interrogation of perceived threats. It is no longer necessary to drive into a hazard and make an assessment. CBRN reconnaissance can finally occur at a distance, and it can happen at the speed of maneuver. The next video shows the evolution of the Stryker NBCRV. It begins with the model fielded to Army units today. This system highlights the large number of individual sensors that are difficult to maintain and operate in a tactical environment. Capability Set 1 attempted to improve on the original concept and served as a base prototype. Capability Set 2 is the FLIR prototype. This system incorporates improved integrated standoff detection, a platform processing module to provide situational awareness and collect data from sensors, a dual FLIR R80D Skyraider UAV with launch platform, an IBAC biosensor, and an improved liquid ground sampling system known as the chemical surface detector. Capability Set 2 provides improved sensing capabilities, is more rugged, moves faster, increases reliability and maintainability, and provides improved situational awareness. Most importantly, Capability Set 2 can be adapted to fit any platform, as demonstrated by placing the sensor suite on an unmanned ground vehicle. FLIR is continuing to advance the concepts of the sensor suite upgrade beyond the current NBCRV integration. We're working with the Army to adapt the sensor suite to other platforms that will increase its operational utility and include manned and unmanned teaming. Similarly, the sensor suite can be adapted for use in a stationary configuration to meet any future warfighting need. We envision a future multi-domain operation with fixed site, dismounted, and mobile integrated sensors working together to provide total integrated early warning across the entire theater of operations. We stand ready to meet the Army's needs and adapt this system to meet all future platforms and the CBRN operational requirements of sister services and our allied partners. We'd like to again thank the JPEO for Chemical, Biological, Radiological, and Nuclear Defense for their continued support of the NBCRV program.